Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the best Clearco term length for cash flow management. I've used Clearco financing for my e-commerce business, and one of the biggest lessons I learned is that when you're dealing with their revenue share model, the concept of term length is a little different than a traditional loan. You're not locked into a strict monthly payment timeline. Clearco doesn't typically give you a fixed term like 12 or 24 months. Instead, they give you an advance amount and a revenue share percentage, say 10% of your daily sales, until the total advance plus their flat fee is repaid. This setup is actually fantastic for cash flow, but you still need a strategy. Here is my first-person experience and the strategy one found works best. Choose the highest possible revenue share percentage you can comfortably afford for the estimated shortest repayment period. Why? It sounds counterintuitive for cash flow, but hear me out. The cost of Clearco's capital is a flat fee, which is fixed up front. It doesn't compound or change based on how long it takes you to pay it back. The fee is the same whether you pay it in 3 months or 6 months. My goal was always to minimize the total time the advance was outstanding. The faster you pay off the current advance, the faster you free up your eligibility for a new, larger advance, which is key for rapid growth and managing your next big inventory purchase or marketing campaign. Let's say your business sees a sudden downturn, sales drop. With a traditional loan, your fixed payment is due no matter what, and it can crush your cash flow. With Clearco, your payment drops automatically because it's a percentage of revenue. This is your built-in safety net. However, if you choose a low revenue share percentage, like 1% or 2%, just to feel safe, you'll drag out the repayment. That advance capital will be tied up for 6, 9, or even 12 months. This can block you from accessing the larger capital you might need in a few months when your sales unexpectedly spike. So, my advice, based on real-world use, is to be aggressive but realistic with the percentage you select. Model a 13-week cash flow forecast. That's about 3 months. And choose a percentage that allows you to pay off the advance well within your next major spending cycle, like before your next seasonal inventory order. This maximizes your access to the next funding round and turns Clearco from a simple lender into a true growth partner. You are using their flexibility to your advantage, not just relying on their safety net. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.